Welcome to On Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here 7 member and 5 member rings are given. All the carbons are sp2 hybrids and it has cyclic conjugated double bonds. So you have to find why this compound has high dipole moment and find the reason behind it. Usually stable and permanent charges create the dipole moment, so you have to analyze if there is any possibility. Here A and B rings are there. If it conjugated, you might realize the cation form at the A ring, anion at the B ring, which is very stable because it forms stable aromatic compound. A and B both are aromatic in this case. So A is 6 pi electron, B also 6 pi electron with anion. Cation and anion help for delocalization. Both rings are aromatic, so charges are permanent. So the compound has high dipole moment due to the permanent charges. Here charge separation can be anyway, but only this kind of structure have high dipole moment. The concept you have to learn here is stable and permanent charges create the dipole moment. Aromaticity is the most stabilizing factor. Here it is creating the dipole moment. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.